the last tip, friends, tip 5. Please make sure that you take the much needed self-care break for yourself. You deserve it actually. As a parent, I want you to pamper yourself with lots of love. The truth of the matter, friends, is parenting is hard work. And so if you don't regularly schedule self-care breaks, you will end up getting stressed out and frustrated. And the first people who get impacted because of that are the little kids. We know that. So please make sure, my dear parents, that you take some good self-care breaks so that you'll be at peace with yourself. You'll have a stronger mindset to handle situations and you'll be able to raise the little humans effectively. Friends, before we end this little video, there's one last thing I want to share with you. Friends, if you're already feeling guilty for all the yelling you did so far, I want you to understand, my friend, that nobody is perfect and we all lose it from time to time. So if you're feeling guilty, friends, do not beat yourself. You can turn around the situation by just apologizing. I always do that, my friends. Sometimes when I lose my cool, when I scold my sons, I always go back to them and I apologize to them and I tell them why I behaved in that way. And I tell them that I should not have done that. And I'll make sure I will try and restrain myself from such behavior in the next time. Because when you take responsibility for the mistakes that you committed as a parent, children understand that emotions are acceptable, that everyone makes mistakes, and we can always learn and grow to become a better person. So if you're feeling guilty by any chance, you're already a good parent. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. 3 things. 1, like it so that YouTube will suggest similar videos to you. 2, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can watch my future videos. And 3, make sure you share it with the other parents so that even they can benefit and not yell at their kids when they are angry. Thank you so much. Have a great life ahead.